Hi guys, gabi guys. Guys, kain tayo guys. Ulam namin guys is bola-bola guys. And guys, ang buwan. And guys, bola-bola guys. Siyempre guys, pag may bola-bola guys, meron din kaming ketchup. Ayan guys, ketchup. Guys, kain tayo guys. Meron din kaming miswa guys. Meatballs guys. Na merong miswa. Ayan guys, oh. Kain tayo guys. Meron din kaming dessert guys. Oh, yun din. Tumba ni Ron. Yan, dessert guys, saging. Ayan guys. Yan, saging. Ayan, para makita niyo guys. Ayan guys, kain tayo.
Doon. Ano ang Spanish mo?
Ha?
Ito na ba ito? Spanish na ito.
Agi-akay. Dugdug. No? Kain tayo guys. Good job.
Gimana ba ito ulam gimana?
Ketchup. No, uy. Ayaw yata magpakain ng ketchup guys. Ayan, ketchup.